Hey guys, so I've decided to head over to my thrift store and I thought I'd take you with me. So we're just pulling into the parking lot and it's very crowded. So we're just going to stop into Savers just to see what they have new. And as you can see, right next to it is one of my favorite dollar stores, the Dollar Tree. So I'm not going to be going in there today, but we're definitely going into the thrift store to see what they have. And this thrift store is located in Long Island, New York on Hempstead Turnpike, and it's called Savers. So I'm just going to run in. I don't plan on buying anything. I just want to see what's new. I want to see all the new things that they have. I always stop at the figurines because the figurines are so interesting. Some of these come from other parts of the world where people who have moved to New York City, their family will donate a lot of the items that they bring over. And so it ends up at places like Savers. And so I'd love to look at these because a lot of them are from Europe. And I usually look to see what has some damage. So that's one of the things when I shop at the thrift store that I have to do. Make sure any item that I'm going to purchase doesn't have anything broken or any sharp glass edges exposed. Yeah, so I'm just looking at candle holders, getting ideas about candle holders and maybe how I could create my own candle holder with an interesting look. And oftentimes I'll just buy something here because I don't have that particular look. But this vase is so interesting because it reminds me of the vases at the Dollar Tree a little bit. just a little bit. So this one is very interesting, this star pattern, this star shape. And this one too. And as you can see, the prices are really low. I think $1.99 is kind of high for that. But so this is 4 coasters, guys. You get 4 heavy coasters. They have little feet at the bottom, and it's so only a couple of dollars. This is another item that I think is worth the price. It's a very, very heavy vase, and it has little those little designs in it. I think it was worth the price. Now here's something I think you can find at the Dollar Tree, but here it costs like just about $2. So I don't think that's really a good value. And oftentimes I will find the Dollar Tree items here in Savers. So I always pass it up, always. Some of my unique looking vases that I've used during my projects I get from Savers. This is really cute. They have a lot of colored glass, I noticed as I was walking around, and that's $1.99. And if you notice, some of the price tags have different color labels, like the bottom is a different color. So it usually costs a little bit less than the prices that you see on the item. So that's always fun. This is really nice, guys. I absolutely love this. This is $3.49, and it's probably cheaper when you get to checkout. There's no chips or cracks on this. This is a beautiful mirrored tray. And it's just waiting for someone to take it. And also too, here in Savers, people move the items around. So like the customers will come in, they'll pick up things. So everything is not where it should be. Like anything that's made of glass shouldn't be with the housewares. But that's what happens. That's why you have to, when you go into thrift stores, because customers move items around, you have to kind of like check everywhere and check into every little crevice. I saw this here a couple of months ago, so I see it's still here. I thought this was a great value, $6 for 5 stoneware plates. Nice print on it. It's really nice. And this is nice also for $1.99. Yeah, really, really nice. These bowls are nice. I was thinking about picking those up, but No, I left them. Really nice. This is great too. If you see me turning things around and spinning them, I'm looking for the price, and also I'm checking to see if there's any damage to the items. So that's really nice as well. I like that. That's really nice. And that's $2.49. Lots of coffee cups, teacups. I love this blue one right here. I absolutely love that. Blue is my favorite color. It's just really nice. Nice little coffee cup set, teacup set. As you can see, I'm just going to scan for a minute. Look how much glassware they have here. So much glass. So I found this here for $3, and I think I'm going to take this because I was looking for a pair. There's only that one there, but I'm going to take that. They always have lamps, and I'm always looking to find a shade for a lamp that I have in my room that has no shade on it. And so this is really nice for $5. Now guys, I saw these same type of lampshades inside Target for $14.99. And so I didn't pick it up, but I just wanted to show you it's in good condition, it's nice, and it's clean. So I'm not going to stay today. I just wanted to just run in and just show you some of the glassware that they have here, some of the things that I might pick up when I come to Savers. I'm just going to pick up just a couple of things. I did pick up that golden plaque that you saw, and I picked up the set of 4 coasters. That was a great purchase for me. And these are the items that I picked up. I really do like these. So the items were really inexpensive, and I did get a discount at checkout, so I spent under $4 for both of these items. Yeah. I like this one because it has a hook on the back. So when you hang it, it has a hook already there. I probably won't use that. I'll use my command strips. If I post this up or whatever I do with it, I'm going to let you guys know. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to stop into Savers very quickly just to let you see what kind of glassware and figurines they had. So guys, thank you so much. Let me know what you think about this quick little trip to Savers, my thrift store. So thank you so much for joining me, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.